So here is a lap on board with Max Soulet around Utah Motorsports Campus. Here we are on the main straight, very long main straight, so we can use a lot of power on our Bentley Continental. Here we arrive in 6th gear, braking at the 2 board, straight to the inside. Early on throttle, trying not to go in the ground. Stay in 3rd, just a little lift. 3rd, up to 4th, down to 3rd, just a lift. This is a flat out corner. Brake at the 2 board again, down to the hairpin. 2nd gear, use the curb to rotate the car. Arriving at the 2nd hairpin. 2nd gear. Early on throttle, use a lot of curb. 4th gear, just a lift. The chicane, over the curb. Up to 4th, down to 3rd again. Tricky corner this one. Up to 4th, down to 3rd. This is a very difficult corner for us because it takes time to get used to. Down to 2nd again. Stay in 2nd. And here we arrive in the last corner. And back to the power.